What's up, YouTube? What's up? I'm back. Hold on now. Am I getting... Oh, okay. Yeah, what's up, YouTube? Now I'm back. So, hey, it's Labor Day weekend. Labor Day week. Oh, the sun is bright. But yeah, I'm about to head to my hometown, which is Tyler, TYL 903, to a car show. So, I don't know. I ain't been to a car show in a minute. So I ain't gave y'all no footage or anything like that. Just been working and chilling. So, been traveling a lot. I noticed, on my traveling videos, they don't do too well, so I don't even just post them. So, but yeah, just got back from Vegas last weekend. Florida early in August. But yeah, about to turn up at this car show and stuff. Go back home, take my beast back home. About to meet up with the gang and head down there. So, when we get together, we act a fool. Hey, it's a beautiful day. Man, Labor Day weekend. Time to turn up, y'all. So, hey, when we get on the road, turn the camera back on, give y'all a little bit of rolling footage. If I can get some, because there's a few of us going down there. But yeah, let me get everything loaded up and see y'all later.
This shit start, man. Some of the cats are rolling out right now.
Yeah, two. So we got here.
Rolling around with the white boy.
That's my home buddy.
Damn, this is it, huh?
I'm trying to see where the hell he is.
Huh?
My homeboy. Sugar man.
A team no outfit. Y'all make a little noise. A team no outfit. Sound like a motherfucking runoff to me. Sound like one more round. Old school niggas. All the old school niggas put one finger down for one more round. 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 Ratchet Fest 2023 is going down. Oh shit, she getting on her head. There's an old school nigga somewhere right now, like I'll fuck the shit out of her right there. Get in that position right there. You stay right there. They got two white shorts. They trying to jump you this way. They got two white shorts on. Ooh, make that booty do a big old trick. Yeah, Ratchet for the bitch. Ooh, she turned around. She grabbed it. What's up, boy? Look who in the middle right here. That big booty. Look who in the middle right here.
Come on, baby, you get on in there. You get on in there.
Girl in the corner, she just came out. She said she want to get behind that little thing. You want to get behind that little tricycle, don't you? Green. Ain't come to bullshit with y'all niggas. Ooh, that booty gone. Keep that booty rolling. Ooh, freaky. Freaky. Back. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, it's the battle of DJ Wise. The Carmen Squad and the DJ Wise. It's the battle of Wise. The car race man said, meet him in his car. Please.
Hey!
Ladies and gentlemen, y'all make some noise for the That's a husband right over here. He's like, hey, meet him at the car. gang over there doing? Ladies and gentlemen, it's the Battle of Orange County. Both of them in orange. We need them to the middle of the street. Take it to the streets. Everybody make some noise for the people in the orange. Let's go. You know I missed it. Let's go shit. Y'all ain't got to know what that walk out there. Y'all supposed to be like a pit bull fight. Y'all see each other. You just let's go.
Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back.
No. Okay, yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bring it back. Bring it back.
Your husband said.
Baby, get out that man room. Get out that man room.
Here's what the fuck Ratchet Fest poker look like. Oh, she in the white. Oh, yes, sir. She danced over Monster. Ooh. This contest is brought to you by Monster Energy Drink. Sugar Man, cheers. Put the old rope back on. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm gonna go get some shit. Yeah. Okay, bro. I'm physics. Big old turbo. Inside done all nice and clean.
on trying to plan like you record.
Hey, man, I am recording.
Them over down
Super
here.
little. What is that?
It's my camera, man.
Man, you ain't recording,
Hey,
man.
that's my camera, man. Look at that.
Oh, you is recording. That motherfucker super little.
Yeah, he get the job done.
Hey, I believe it. That motherfucker nice though.
So we made over here to Hollywood that day car. About to pull it on the trailer, but look. It worked out. Hey, he get the job done. Shoot 4K.
Don't say it 30 times, goddamn.
Okay.
You trying to run your minutes up?
Yeah, I learned from the best. Hey, gotta get the minutes in. Gotta make it count.
Minutes, my boy. You put that motherfucker back in your pocket one more time, though. You ain't gonna have no minutes. See,
I was filming before you got here, so hush.
man, you probably ain't getting nothing. You probably ain't talk on it not once.
I talked a little bit. It's all right. We're gonna say roll that B-roll.
Roll that. No, nobody gonna watch the B-roll. No B-roll.
Fuck around.
Well, it's gonna have to because all that music.
You on some
I don't put, bro.
Oh yeah,
I don't put music on my stuff. If they hear it in the background and you talk over it, that's why you gotta learn how to talk. You talk over it, they don't copyright.
That's my speech
What
coach.
kind of camera is
Yeah,
that?
that's my
What kind of
speaker.
camera is it?
DJ out pocket.
DJ out.
No, this ain't a pocket. This
DJ out of pocket.
Action cam.
DJ out of pocket.
Yeah. Hey, what y'all talking about? It costs about as much as y'all little big ass cameras, but it get the job done.
But it worked though.
Yeah, it gets the job done. 4K and everything. He got GoPro.
Yeah, because I'm
That same thing.
Brand, you want man $100 grand? They see you with that boy, they gonna call the police on your
We
ass.
about to get hit, bro. Let us get out the way.
They gonna think Brent, they gonna think he out here trying to
Like one of them things that be on the police vest right here.
Yeah, I put it got a magnet, yeah. It got everything.
I do it. I'm like,
Yeah.
hold
No
on.
bullshit, that bitch good for like have on your dirt bike or some shit.
Yeah.
Have
It-
it hidden and shit.
It stick any magnet. It just stick to it.
And I'm glad I recorded. I might give you one. I be needing little shit like that.
Yeah. They be hating on it, but they come in handy.
It do get crazy.
That's it.
It do get crazy when my, hey man, y'all
Hey, let's go
follow
over
my
here. Let's
bro.
go over here and see what's
Hey, this
going
my
on
bro
over
right
here.
here. Y'all go follow Table Laws, man.
Just one time.
Yo, so the car me Alright, Ratchet Fest is already over. What's up, y'all? What's up? I know it's next day. I didn't get a chance to finish the video, so I'm coming to you guys for the next day. Ran into some issues. I guess basically I heard it when I was going down the Tyler or whatever, but I looked in the review. I didn't pay no attention, so I didn't know what had happened. But come to find out later on, what happened? Let me show y'all this. So I'm having a little bad luck week. But yeah. So what happened was, heard something like I hit something in the road, but I actually did not hit nothing. Let me show y'all what happened. Dang. So lost one of my caps, one of my spinning caps or whatever. So now I gotta order a new cap to match all the other ones, because all the other ones are still on there, but that one ain't. So I lost that one going down 20. Other bad news I got, if y'all done seen my truck riding or whatever, y'all will see this part. So little issue that happened when I was in Tyler. I guess it was just bad luck. But yeah, look at my back window. So right now, my back window does not let up. When I was leaving the car show or whatever, I had the windows down, jamming or whatever, but went to go let the windows up when I was getting on the freeway or whatever, and the back window would not let up. So yeah, and right now it's hot. So I put some cardboard up there to save some of my AC. I called the dealership. Man, this is the bad thing about, dealing with dealerships and stuff, man. I called them. This is September, September 4th or whatever. They're telling me we can't get your truck in to look at it until October. So what am I supposed to do with the damn window? Got to tape it up, cardboard, whatever, until they can look at it. Brand new truck. And yeah, I done had so many issues out of this truck since I got it. I know you guys gonna say whatever y'all want to say, but I still love my Fords. But yeah, I done had just a little minor issue. I've already tried a number of things. I tried replacing the switch with the other side. Still nothing. Took the door panel off. What it is the motor has went out, because you can hear it clicking, but it ain't letting up. So the motor has went out on, what is it? This is a 2022, and the motor already out in it. So I gotta wait on the dealership to drop it off and see how long it's gonna take for them to fix that. But yeah, they got me a month out before they can even take a look at it, and I already know what the problem is. Just order me the motor, put it in, we done. But yeah, that's what you gotta wait when you're dealing with a warranty. Warranty's good and everything, but when you need it, they put you on the back burner, because you know what? If you spending money, I guarantee you they get you right in, because they want that money right ASAP. But I called three different dealerships, and the beginning of October was the first I can get in. One dealership told me the end of October, close to November. I'm like, what? 2 months? So yeah, and yeah. So I guess, I gotta wait on it till I can get it. But today is supposed to rain, so I gotta get some plastic and tape on that sucker so I don't mess up my interior. But yeah, that's what happened. Went to Ratchet Fest and came back, and my truck looked a little ratchet right now. I'm missing center cap, missing the window, whatever. Yeah. But I did have fun. So we did have fun down there. But yeah, I got to deal with this right now and see if they can try to get in there a little bit quicker. But I know they're not. So I'm thinking about just going up there and just dropping it off, because they said if I drop it off, they can look at it in maybe 2 weeks. So if I drop it off, but